This is Insta360 X4, and today I'll show how you can manually set the ISO value or simply adjust the ISO value in this camera. In the beginning, make sure to enter whatever shooting mode you would like to use. Should it be video, photo, or any other shooting mode that supports the manual properties adjustment. Then from the right edge of your display, swipe to the left. Here, switch the camera mode from automatic to manual. Now look for the ISO value icon, tap on it, and here select what ISO value you would like to have or you would like to be set. Once the ISO value is selected, simply get back, and here you have it. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.